Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and this is how to connect Revolut debit cards to Apple Pay wallet. So guys, I'll show you how to connect your Revolut debit card to Apple Wallet. So this is the quick and easy process, so stick around, and this is a step-by-step guide, so just simply follow along. So first thing that you will need to make sure is you have the Revolut app installed and make sure it is the latest version. And once you have done that, and once you have ensured that, just open the app and sign in into your account. And on the home screen, guys, just simply tap on the cards icon and you should be able to see all your Revolut debit cards. And after that, guys, just simply select virtual card. So guys, once you are on the card tab, look for your virtual card labeled virtual and tap ready to use. And from there, guys, down below, you should be able to see add to Apple Wallet. So just simply tap on that. And from there, just choose to add it to your iPhone or Apple Watch. From there, guys, just simply confirm your card details and make sure it is correct. And after that, just simply agree to the terms and condition. And once you have done that, just click on next. And now guys, once added, you'll get a confirmation screen and you can choose to set it as your default card or you can skip that step. And from there, you'll be able to connect Revolut debit card to Apple Pay wallet. So guys, just simply follow the steps and there you go. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe and thanks for watching. See ya!